Show my Genesis collection now. We have Foxtrot, Gabriel, Selling England by the Pound, Truth Tell, Abacab. It's a great album, very good. Tour for Abacab, 3 Sides Live, Genesis, Visible Touch, very commercial but very good. We Can't Dance, my favorite Genesis album, Fading Lights, Dreaming While You Sleep, A Son of Mine, Living Forever. Another copy of it, Volume 1. Volume 2, still an old medley. Calling All Stations, pretty good. I think it's a little underrated. Turning On Again, the hits. Turning On Again, the hits tour edition. Don't really know why they made this, but okay. Live Over Europe. Found this at Starbucks. Platinum Collection. 3 CDs. Archive, the most recent. Got 3 Sides Alive Blu-ray. Video show with all the videos. Got an Abacab cassette, Genesis cassette, We Can't Dance cassette. That's All single. Land of Confusion single with Feeding the Fires, the B-side. 1983 to 1998 box set. Genesis, Invisible Touch, We Can't Dance, Calling All Stations, extra tracks on the Shoreline.